Does math leave you frustrated? Do formulas seem impossible to you to remember? Or if I tell you that finally math is going to start making sense? Welcome to the Math Corner with Justine, where math isn't just about memorizing, it's also about understanding. Our mission is simple: to help you or every other student build the confidence they need to master the concepts and succeed in mathematics. Whether you're preparing for your ordinary level, advanced level, national examinations, or trying to improve your grades, I must tell you that here every lesson is designed to make those complex ideas simple. Yeah, very simple. And we don't have shortcuts. There are no confusing explanations here, just clear, step-by-step teaching that helps you understand why every solution works. At the Math Corner with Justine, we will discover easy-to-follow video lessons. Another things like find exam-focused problem solving, past papers walkthroughs, smart revision tips, practice questions with complete solutions, weekly math challenges, and time-saving techniques that will help you perform better in examinations. Everything is designed for students who want real understanding, not just answers, because thousands of students struggle. And the reason is that math is often taught to them in a very fast or explained in complicated ways. At the Math Corner with Justine, every lesson is broken down into simple, logical steps that anyone can follow. When you understand the concept, that's what we believe in, that when you understand the concept, solving the problem becomes easier, faster, and even more enjoyable. This is just not a tutoring page. It's a growing community of students who believe that every learner can succeed with the right guidance. No matter where you're learning from, now you have the quality math education, and it is just one click away. If you're ready to stop fearing mathematics and start mastering it, I've told you, if you want to master it, just follow the Math Corner with Justine today. And when you do that, remember to like, share, subscribe, and invite a friend who you think needs the help with math. At the Math Corner with Justine, we are on our way to making math to make sense.